Hi, this is Litre from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2007 Nissan Navara, stock number 6065. This ran from 09-2005 to the 12-2011. It has a VQ40 V6 petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is the VQ40 V6 petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.